So guys, I was sent an email from GoatFunded, and this is the email. This is the KYC verification. This is the email was sent for me for the KYC verification when the verification was complete. So you can see this is a KYC verification complete. You now have full access to all features and can enjoy a seamless experience with us. So guys, this is the email from GoatFunded after my KYC was verified, after my document was verified. So let me go to I will send the details to the funded account. I think this is details. This is the details. Okay, this is details. So I will send the details. So guys, these are the details. These are the details I was sending for the funded account login details. These are the details, guys. Welcome back to Black GFT first, guys. So guys, I just got my funded account. So guys, I'll be like analyzing the trade that I'm holding now on the 5k account. So guys, first of all, this is Euro card. So starting from the weekly time frame, we can see there's a neckline. There's a resistance level here at this point. And also we can also mark out our high. That's the resistance level that the market has reacted off from. Then we can zoom in a bit to start marking out our support resistance level. You can see a massive strong support level at this point. Understand? So after that, we'll mark another level here. I'm seeing a level here. I'm seeing a level here, guys. I'm seeing a level. And guys, I'm seeing another level at this point here. At this level here. So guys, so now let's drop down. There's nothing else to do, and you can see that after this rejection from this level, you can see massive bullish candles coming to the market here, forming higher highs, higher lows, and we know what higher lows means. Up down, up down, up down in a bullish trend, starting a bullish trend. So we can drop down to the daily time frame. So drop down to the daily time frame, we can see there was this whole rejection here, guys. So and also we can also mark out this level here. You can mark it as this support resistance level, which will be turning to support also. Also, we can also see that there's a level at this point. At this point, guys. At this level here, there's a level here. There's a level here. And also, there's a high here. There's a resistance level we need to mark out at this point too. Let's also mark out that level in case, because that's a strong level for market to react off. That's also a level. So what I'm expecting for market just retrace down and still continue to your upside. So guys, that's what I'm expecting on Euro card. So guys, dropping down to the 4 hour, we can see market creating break of structure to the upside. First of all, they will change the character here. They will change the character. I should mark it out. Change the character here. There was a break of structure here at this point. Then break of structure. Then another break of structure, guys. Another break of structure. Then another break of structure, guys, showing that there's still enough buyers in the market. And we can see this level here that I drew. I should zoom in close for you guys to see. This whole level here I drew, guys. This whole level here I drew. You can see all this level here. These are levels. This is one of the strongest level, and you can see there was a break of structure to that level. They break of structure, and then the market broke above that level. This is the level here. So what I'm expecting for is for the market to just retrace. Understand? I want to see a kind of retracement. Understand? For the further push to the upside. A retracement to around this level, around this area, and then a continuous buy to the upside. So guys, that's it on Euro card. So I think I should run to 1 hour to show you where I took my entry from. So I think after this break of structure, guys, after this break of structure, guys, after this break of structure, there was a test, and then a head and shoulder pattern formed. A head and shoulder pattern formed here clearly, guys. A head and shoulder pattern formed, guys. See this pattern? This is clearly a head and shoulder pattern. I think I should pick it up for you to guys see, guys. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So what I did was just take my entry from this level, and then my TP around this area. So guys, so that's it on Euro card. That's it on Euro card. So guys, I'll be dropping more of this content. Please do well to like and subscribe to support me on my channel. Thank you, guys. Good Black Gravity FX. Okay, so I've been funded like $5,000 already by Good Funded. So, but first of all, I want to make an analysis on the DXY. And remember that DXY is the opposite of Euro USD. Whenever DXY is selling, we expect Euro USD to be buying. Whenever DXY is buying, we expect Euro USD to be selling. So, guys, this is DXY at the weekly time frame. You can start at the daily, at the monthly, but I try to start at the weekly. So first of all, we can mark out this low we are seeing here. Or first, this is a low we are seeing here at the weekly time frame. This is a low. And also we can mark out this high here. It's a high we are seeing here. And also we can see a resistance zone this area here. On this area here. Then we can see another one on this area here. You can see rejection here at this level. You can see rejection here, and thirdly market fails to break, and then you can see rejection here. And if it, at the downside here, I think I should mark out the support level at the weekly time frame. If you can see at this level here, the market failed to break below and started buying into uptrend, starting an uptrend, and then you can see this weak rejection here, continuing this uptrend, and see after market failed to break up above. You can see a massive selling momentum coming to the market around this area. And if I zoom in closely, you can see that this support level I drew here, you can see this candle fail to close below. Understand? You can see this whole weak rejection thing here, this whole weak rejection, showing that the market is rejecting past this level. And immediately after this rejection, you can see the bullish candle or bullish momentum coming to the market. I think I should zoom into the market clearly for you guys to see. You can see the bullish momentum, this candle here coming to the market, and then next we can see this kind of retracement. Understand? Retracement. Because the market don't actually just buy straightforwardly. Understand? You have to see impulsive move, retracement, and another impulsive move again. So this whole impulsive move here, this whole rejection here, created this impulsive buying move here. Then what we're waiting for was retracement. I remember this selling candle now coming to the market now couldn't even pass below this market. You can see first rejection, first strongest selling rejection to the downside, and then you can see buyers starting to come to the market again at that same support level, and then you can see sellers starting to dominate the market, but still none of them close below this support level. And since the market that level is holding very well, you can see this bullish candle here, this bullish whole candle taking out these 1 2 3 candle, the 3 highs. Understand? You can see you created a change of character here. I think I should mark that out, guys. You can see this bullish move coming to the market, taking out this high, showing that there are enough buyers in the market. And then if you mark out this is a support level, if you mark out this support level, you understand that this market took support before start buying up to the upside. You can see support here, you can see support here, rejection to the downside, and support to the upside. Understand? So that level is quite a strong level. Then you can mark out this high in case for our TP. Then remember that this whole scene here, this whole scene happening here, this whole stuff happening here, I think I should mark that out. This whole stuff happening here shows us that the market is rejecting this, failing to break below the support level. First of all, you can see this rejection sells to the downside. You can see bullish momentum coming to the upside, and then a selling retracement which failed to break below that support level, and then an impulsive bullish candle that took out these highs, showing a change of character, guys. Showing a change of character, which shows that the buyers are now dominating the market. So what you have to do is just drop down to the daily time frame. Dropping down to the daily time frame, you can clearly see this is the level here. This is the high that was taken out. This is the high that was taken out. This is what created the change of character. Understand? This is what created the change of character. We can all see this is the rejection here that failed to break below, and then impossible to the upside, and then it's a retracement to the upside. You can see after the retracement, you can see correction, then and boom to the upside. I think there's nothing much to do here, and you can see this is more like a correction to the upside. Correction to the upside. You can see clearly at that my support level I marked. at that my support level I marked, this support level here. Come in, let me list, guys. This whole support level here, this whole support level I drew here, this support level here. So you can see the market trying to form a pattern. You can see this is more like a triangle pattern. It's failing to create new highs, but it's making higher lows. Understand? Showing that the market is congesting. The buyers are trying to force the market to the upside, and then we can see boom to the upside. That's why they're taking this trade from around this level, and then stop loss just below this low, and then the buy to the up to this high here. That's around 400 pips. 400 pips to make 1,500 pips. That's a 1:3, guys. Which is a massive risk to reward, a very massive risk to reward. So guys, that's it on DXY. That's it on DXY. I think I should go on to the 1 hour time frame for more clearer entry though, guys. And if you look closely here, so I've dropped down to the 1 hour already. I've dropped down to 1 hour time frame. If you look closely, you'll see that there has been I call it higher lows, understand? Higher lows here. No new high was created here. No new high was created, but we can see the higher lows, higher low, showing that the buyers are congesting at that level, showing that there are much more strong buyers in the market at that level. So guys, after seeing the market take out this high, here, this high here, we can all believe that we can all expect a retracement and a buy to the upside, which is this retracement. And watch closely, there's a massive FVG here. The market came to clear out. You see this retracement here? You see this retracement? And then boom, you take your entry and put your stop just below this low here, just below this low, and then boom to the upside. TB smashed. So guys, and that's it on USHF. Soon I'll be posting my payout by grace of God, by the special grace of God, and I'll be expecting guys to hit the like button and subscribe for more content, guys. Thank you, guys.